Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be talking about a different kind of massage that you might be able to implement with your massage gun to better help you guys relieve pain, relieve tension, recover from injuries, whatever. So today we are going to be talking about what's called cross-friction massage. And I've talked about this before in some of my past videos, cross-friction massage, how it can be used and implemented to get rid of scar tissue and things like that. But the real question is, can we actually use it with a massage gun? So it's kind of interesting because I believe we can. So before we get started, we need to talk about what is cross-friction massaging. Well, essentially cross-friction massaging is massaging in the direction that is perpendicular to the way your muscles run. So primarily these massages are generally used on muscles, tendons, ligaments. Those are the primary target of these things. And generally the direction our muscles, tendons, ligaments run are in kind of a straight line or generally some kind of curved line. So we can massage perpendicular to this, and that would be what's called cross-friction massaging. Now that would mean you would massage at a 90-degree angle with the direction your muscle fibers are running. So for example, my quadriceps, the rectus femoris, this top portion of the muscle right here, would run from up to down, so to say. And then you would massage cross-frictionally 90 degrees from this. So it would be perpendicular left to right is the sort of idea or concept. And what this does is it promotes kind of blood flow, it promotes movement and mobility and things like that, and it can help break down scar tissue. So how do we actually do this with the massage gun? Well, the tricky part is with cross-friction massage is that you need to keep tension on your surface. So it's called cross-friction for a reason. And that's because when you're using your hands or your fingers or something like that, your fingers are actually staying on the same portion of the skin that you placed your fingers on. So when you're moving your fingers and massaging, your fingers don't actually slide and slip across your muscle. They are staying in the same portion. On the other hand, your muscle is actually moving from left to right. Does that sort of make sense? So we need some sort of surface tension to keep our fingers placed onto the muscle. And the same would go for using a massage gun. So can we actually do this with the massage gun? Because the main concern, for me at least, would be that the massage gun would slip and then you wouldn't get the proper surface tension to get the sort of cross-friction massage. Well, I've tried this out a few times and I actually think it works. You need some sort of flat head because the round ball head would not work effectively for this type of massage. So I like to use this one, which is like kind of a soft flat head. Not all massage guns come with this kind of head, so you might need to adapt depending on what your manufacturer provides. But in my opinion, this is probably the best one suited for the job because of its nature. Because it's flat, you can kind of get that surface tension that is needed for the cross-friction massage. And because you're using sort of a massage gun for this purpose, I personally believe that you're actually getting a solid benefit from it that is potentially more efficient than using your own fingers. So here's how we'll do this. We'll take the soft flat head, we'll push it against our muscles, and then we'll turn the massage gun up to like maybe the lightest setting in my opinion. I think that one is the best for this sort of thing, so it won't slip as easily. Then we'll push it against the muscle, the ligament, or the tendon that we are targeting in sort of the perpendicular direction, and then we'll let the massage gun do its thing. So the surface tension we want to apply is just enough so that the massage gun doesn't slip off our muscles, but enough so that there is some sort of cross friction going on. And then we can do this for a varying amount of time. Initially, for a lot of people, cross-friction massages feel uncomfortable at first because you're doing it to an injured area of the body. So naturally, it will feel uncomfortable, but as time progresses through the exercise, at least in my experience, it has gotten more comfortable or it hasn't hurt as much as the initial exposure. Does that make sense? So I would recommend at least 30 seconds to a minute, but for cross-friction massages, most people go even longer, up to as much as like 5 minutes or so. So play with it it kind of depends on how much pain you're feeling or tension or whatever, but I would recommend to go at a comfortable amount. Don't overdo it and don't underdo it. You know what I mean? So yeah, that is the general basis of how we can use cross-friction massages with the massage gun. In my opinion, it works really well. So I would try it, experiment it, and see how it kind of goes for you. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. And if you like this video and it helped you, please like the video down below, subscribe to this channel for more content. And yeah, I will see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Peace.